Well, Maxie, you got almost 50 viewers. I'm just going to have to let you have your own YouTube channel. Yeah. Yeah, Maxie, now you're trying to pretend you don't hear me. Ah, Maxie's talking. He likes to talk. This is my mother's bird. This is my mom's little guy. Look, Maxie, I'm taking a picture of you. I'm taking a video of my Maxie. Look, Maxie. Look, Maxie, say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, look at Maxie peeking at everybody. Say hello, sweetie. Say hi, everybody. This is my channel. Subscribe to my channel. My mom had Maxie for about, what, 3 years, Ma? Yeah, 3 years. And he's a very smart little guy because he likes to play with his toys, and I play with his toys with him. He comes out sometimes, but he's hard to catch. Spread the wings, Maxie. Oh, Maxie, say hi. Say hi. Oh, Maxie just said hi. You see him open his mouth? Hi. Say hi, everybody. My name is Maxie. Well, that's all for now. That's all for now with Maxie. Look at his big, 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 big cage. Wow, goes all the way up and all the way down. Wow, Maxie, I gotta clean it though. It gotta be cleaned a little bit, but it's wide. Look at Maxie's big look at Maxie peeking at everybody. Say, I peek. I know you taught Maxie. Yep, he says hello. You hear it? He says hello to you, everyone. He says hello. So, that's all for now.